buddy partner video we were asked to make have been delayed. So another buddy partners on Thursday session. We had buddy partner program on Zoom where two topics were there. One was the education in private schools or government schools, whichever is better, and then work-life balance with the advent of technology. This was a topic which we have selected. I have entered into the room and I was the moderator. 30 minutes were given, clear 30 minutes, 1 hour session. Rest of the time used for organizing and creating rooms, then summing up. Those times are required. The actual speaking time was 30 minutes and we had some 8 participants. All participants equally divided, 3 to 4 minutes they were speaking. Main thrust was on speaking English fluently. Topic given is like a debate. You can participate for and against. You can as well discuss on the various aspects, but then fluency is the core objective of this buddy partner concept. Fourth session, and now the pattern will be changed where we'll be organizing. I was the moderator in 2 programs. Last week also I was the moderator. People wanted that I should do this moderation work. Speaking, you are only 3 to 4 minutes. You have to concentrate on your speaking, whether you speak against or for. But moderator, you have to give chance to everybody. You have to see that everybody gets equal opportunity to talk. Everybody is organized properly. There were some disturbances coming from background noise. Once it is on Zoom, there are people who are all are working from home, all are speaking from home. Like I am on rooftop, this traffic disturbance is coming. But then these are the part of life, part of technology, and you have to be here with this. Very active participation, everybody spoke, and then we summed up, and the session concluded with remarks from the who is the madam? Karishma ma'am. If I am taking the name wrongly, then please excuse me. I'll get back to you on my future sessions also. I was asked to make a video on this and post it in the group of Fearless Speaking group. So I am doing it today on Tuesday. Day after, again the new session will start and we will participate with the same set of people. I do not know what will be the next topic where we have to speak. It's on the spot topic given, no preparation time is given. You have to select the topic and enter into the room and start speaking. This is what is the small message from my side as a feedback from my personal feedback. This is GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur, and now I am the General Secretary of the Association of Retired Persons and the Z Block local RWA. Signing off for now. Thank you. Bye.